Good morning. I'm Nelly Tilakaratne from Ladies College, Colombo. I've been a part of SLU for the last 2 years, starting from season 2. I'm currently on the road trip with the junior team, and I would like to share a couple of experiences with you. First, I'll tell you why I'm a part of SLU. As a Sri Lankan, I've always felt that we need to redefine our status and redeem ourselves from being called a third world country. And the only way of doing this I believe, is that if all our ethnic groups work together and work towards a common goal of building up Sri Lanka to a better status. The only way of doing this, the only way of doing this, I feel, is if the different ethnic groups unite. And Sri Lanka Unites is giving an opportunity for all our ethnic groups to come to one common grounds, find similarities, eliminate any misunderstandings, and work towards the progress of our country. There are many experiences that I have gained from this road trip that I would like to share with you now. I've gone out of Colombo mostly on vacations, and I haven't really been able to experience what it is like to get to know other Sri Lankans from other parts of Sri Lanka. And I found that all Sri Lankans have the same passion, have the same um, simplicity as I do. And now I can confidently say that wherever I go in Sri Lanka, I can call it home, not just Colombo. And I now also know what it means to me to be a Sri Lankan, to be simple, to love humanity, and also be generous, and other very simple qualities that it is to be a Sri Lankan. Um, what I how I wish to be a part of an authentic reconciliation in Sri Lanka as well in future. My ambition in life is to be a qualified community health worker, and so I will be coming back to Sri Lanka after further studies, hopefully abroad, and serve the communities of Sri Lanka which lack basic health needs, without which they will not progress further and in the end not contribute to the progress of Sri Lanka. And I wish to bring these people together and use the experiences and influences that I have through the Sri Lanka Unites experiences, and show them that without that ethnic misunderstandings could be overcome in order to further advance our country in terms of progress for a better Sri Lanka.